Imagine putting in 40 years of hard work. You earn thousands of dollars every month, punch the clock day after day, and still end up completely financially stuck. Millions of people live exactly this reality. This struggle persists because the mechanical rules of money remain largely untaught, regardless of how hard or how long someone works. Schools spend years drilling us on math, science, and history while largely ignoring the practical mechanics of personal finance. Building wealth requires more than hitting a specific salary threshold. It requires building and maintaining a mechanical financial system. Understanding this system serves as the prerequisite to escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, regardless of your current income level. This diagram shows the basic equation of financial health: money coming in versus money going out. A person earning $50,000 can build wealth by controlling expenses to maintain a margin. Meanwhile, a $200,000 earner remains stagnant if lifestyle costs consume every dollar. Most people focus all their energy on increasing their gross income while leaving their escalating spending habits unchecked. Real wealth accumulates specifically in the margin you protect between your earnings and your lifestyle. Once you create that gap, you face a critical decision. Where exactly do you direct that extra money? Many people buy an expensive car thinking it increases their net worth. In reality, that car is a liability, an item that loses value and drains your wealth over time. An asset performs the opposite function. Stocks, businesses, or rental properties put money back into your pocket or grow in value as you hold them. Then there's debt. Strip away the moral weight, and debt is simply a financial tool that accelerates your current trajectory. High-interest borrowing used for unnecessary spending accelerates your liabilities. Conversely, strategic borrowing used to acquire appreciating assets acts as a multiplier for future value. The wealthy spend years meticulously using their gap to collect assets, while the middle class often spends those same years unknowingly collecting liabilities. Once you acquire those assets, they are immediately subject to invisible economic forces that act over long periods. This graph shows the effect of inflation. Even if the total in your bank account remains constant, rising prices mean your money buys less over time. It is a constant erosion of purchasing power. While a savings account provides security for emergencies, long-term wealth requires a shift toward investing to ensure your money grows faster than the rate of inflation. Albert Einstein is often credited with calling compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether or not he actually said it, the principle is powerful. Compound interest allows your money to earn returns, and then those returns begin earning their own returns. Time becomes a mathematical advantage, creating an exponential growth curve. Outpacing inflation and harnessing compound interest are the only ways to ensure your gap money actually builds long-term wealth. Every concept explored so far works as a gear within a single integrated system of growth. You control your expenses to force a gap, direct that gap exclusively into assets, and leverage time to let those assets compound. Financial freedom is the mathematical result of applying these specific rules consistently over a lifetime. Master these mechanics to ensure time generates the compounding returns necessary for your freedom. If you enjoyed this finance documentary, subscribe for more breakdowns of how money works.